Before ngiqale isitori sethu family, ngicela ukusho ukuthi ngiyabonga indlela engamukele ngayo back. Mina bengazi ukuthi ningithanda kangaka. Asiqale-ke ngestory. Ngithola i-message, WhatsApp message ivela kuPhumlani. uPhumlani ngangithola naye 13 years ago. Kodwa umjolo wethu kwakumjolo nje lo waku-social media, uyayibona lonto leyo singakaze sihlangane. uPhumlani uyangitshela ukuthi ufisa sibuyelane, ufisa sithandane futhi. Ake mina ngisakhumbula ukuthi yini into yasihlukanisa 10 years ago. Ngimbuza usahlukaniswe yini konje ekuqaleni. Asisho-ke izizathu asisho, angivumelaneke mina naye ukuthi akulungileke asibuyelaneni. Ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi mangabe sesibuyelene noPhumlani sesiyathandana futhi bakwethu uPhumlani bakwethu yo like ubekangenza ngibe excited, yabona bekangenza ngibe excited ubekafona non-stop, you understand. And mangabe fona not ukuthi mhlambe bekukhule or bekhona oluthene bese likhuluma, beyangakhulumi lutho, bekabuza nje ukuthi unjani, sihamba kahle usuku in yabona, efona non-stop. Uyasenda ama WhatsApp and ebusuku sishayelana ngo video call bafethu ngezikhathi zeyithandana. Ake uPhumlani kusenjalo siyaqhubeka siyathandana. uPhumlani avelana yeke manje ama calls angabe sangena. Mhlambe after 5 days sesibuyeleni ama calls akasangeni, akasangifonela uPhumlani. Usengisendelo WhatsApp, sekubo video call mhlambe ntambama kayi1 or once a day. Futhi no video call wakhona isikhathi sakhona sibesifishana, angafisa ukuthi siqhubeke nengxoxo, ingxoxo ibe extended. Like ngangihlezi ngibuza usindaba athanda ukuthi iconversation ashesha inqamule, you understand. Ngelinye ilanga ngithi hayibo avuthana ukushesha unginqamula, asiqhubekeni sixoxe. Sisathandana kanjalo ke uPhumlani aveza ukuthi unenkinga emsebenzini. And le nkinga lena iyona esiziyamfakela i-depression. Njengamanje u-depressed. Akazi ukuthi enze njani u-depressed. Bafethu ibe buhlungu inhliziyo yami ukuza ukuthi u-depressed. And iyenza sense ukuthi ingakho ehleze efuna unqamula ama-conversation, ingakho angabi interested ekukhulumeni isikhathi eside, understand. Bafethu ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uPhumlani mangabe sixoxa uPhumlani ingxoxo ziyehla, understand. Uxoxa kuyehla nje, yabo kuyehla impela. Nami inhliziyo yami izibe buhlungu ukuthi ithando lunu lolu engithandana lona nomuntu esingakwazi ukuthi sikhulume. Yilabo sawubona nje unjani, usuku lakho belunjani. Like it's something nje ephezulu, you understand. Into ekhelwa phezulu, uyayibona nje lonto leyo. Bafethu nami igcina singilimaza-ke lento yokufila emotionally neglected. Bafethu ngineglectwe-ke la ebudlelwaneni. Angimsoli uPhumlani naye bekasekhoneni lemnyama, beka-depressed, understand. In such a way that wangicacisela ukuthi wake waba depressed before because ingoduso yakhe sho ukuthi ifiance ababezoshada nayo eselobolile kwaba nama-issue bahlukana. Angitshela ukuthi ngaloso sikhathi wadla amaphilisi e-depression. Futhi angitshela ukuthi manje akasakwazi ukulala ebusuku ngenxa yale ngcindezi la abhekene nayo emsebenzini. Amaphilisi e-depression usewathenga backdoor ukuze awaphuze mase ayakwazi ukuthi alale. Ake bakwethu i-communication ibe bad ngalendlela yokuthi ngelinye ilanga sekugcinwa kuba ama-WhatsApp kuphela, i-video call ayisabi khona at all. Ayisabi khona at all, noma iba khona mhlawumbe kuzobe into ya 2 minutes, you understand. Ngize ngibone ukuthi okay lo muntu lo depressed, mhlawumbe nami kumele ngithatha ama-matters to my own hands, kube umina enforce i-communication. Ngelinye ilanga ngimtshele ngithi yazi ukuthini Phumlani, ngiyakukhumbula ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe, mangabe ubuye emsebenzini ngicela ungitshele masosendlini ngifuna ukukufonela, you understand. Because uPhumlani bese spend ama-hour amaningi ejimini. Ake uPhumlani athi hayi ngizokutshela ngazi wadileyswa yini, bekuzoba nani ezobe sisadelay, waze wafika ngo-8 endlini. Mengabe uPhumlani efika endlini angitshela ukuthi usefikile, ngithi mina okay ngizokunikeza ithuba kulungise lokulungisayo. Mhlawumbe ngabe kuukuthi usadla noma ufuna ukuyipreparela ungene embedeni uyiprepare, mase uyangitshela mase uqedile mase ngiyafona. uPhumlani athi okay angaphiki lutho. Ngempela uPhumlani in few minutes later, mhlawumbe nje 20 minutes later, mina ngithola i-message from uPhumlani. uPhumlani uthi good night. Good night kanjani Phumlani, because mina ngithe ngicela sikhulume namhlanje, ngiyakukhumbula ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe over the phone. athi uPhumlani, pills my love, pills. Sho ukuthi uqonda ukuthi usephuze lamaphilisi. Waqeda lapho wangithi bhaqa ngesithombe sakhe emuhle egqoke kahle, wangisendela isithombe sakhe emuhle ku-WhatsApp. Hey bafethu, I was fuming ukuthi what did I sign up for? Like, is he trying to uzama ukungi-ignora or uzama ukungiqhelisa? Ibizwa ngokuthiwani lento le, yini kahle kahle lento eyenzakalayo? Ngisemjoleni nomuntu kodwa anginakiwe at all. Nginoma sengiyikhalela, sengiyicelela ukuthi namhlanje ngicela ukunakwa bo. Ungafoni kuzofona mina. Umuntu ungivalela ngaphandle kanje. Yazi ukuthini bafethu, ngasithatha isinqumo lapho ngathi yabona kuPhumlani sengikhale kwaze kwaba kathathu, ngasho ukuthi ngifila ngi-emotionally neglected. Kubhlungu nakimina, understand lento nami ingenza ngizwe ubhlungu. Ngasithatha isinqumo ngathi yazi ukuthini Phumlani, angisakwazi ukuphilisana nawe. Ngambhalela i-SMS i-WhatsApp, akazange waphendula kulo WhatsApp. Adlula amaviki uPhumlani akaphendulanga kulo WhatsApp. And inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu because bengazi ukuthi u-depressed. Ngigcine sengimsendele i-message ngimbuza ukuthi kahle kahle unjani, uyaphila, kuhamba kanjani? Angiphendule athi hayi u-right. Angiphendule nje nge-message engangimotivate ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngikhulume naye further. Angitshela ukuthi hayi ngi-right. Ake ngingabi nankinga-ke. Ngibona ukuthi okay vele akafune lutho azolenza nami. Ayinami ngiyiphumele kuyena. Few weeks later sengithola ama-message from uPhumlani, uyangikhalela ufuna sibuyelane. Ake sibuyelane ngempela noPhumlani because nami bengisamthanda enhlizweni yami. Hayi futhi mangabe sesibuyelene uPhumlani atshengise awufaka umfutho, atshengise ukuthi uyangifuna ngempela, uyangithanda in. By that time sibuyelana uPhumlani ubesasa kwi-depression, isimo sakhe sasemsebenzini singakalungiseki. So uPhumlani ubekahleli ekhaya ethathe 2 weeks leave. And nami kuleso sikhathi ngayitshela ukuthi ngeke ngimfakele i-pressure, ngizo-understanda yonke into because sengiya-understand ukuthi kahle kahle udlula kwini, usuke ekwi-dark hole, akekho in a position to love anyone. Usesimweni nje lesesinzima. I will be there as a friend, ngimsupport. Nje ngenza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu to be there and support him. Nje ngibe there ukuthi whenever efuna ukuxoxa ngikhona, efuna ukukhuluma ngikhona. Ake ngicela ukunitshela-ke mangabe sengibileke khona empilweni kaPhumlani, sengive. uPhumlani uyatshengisa i-action, uyatshengisa i-effort, uyafona, siya-communicate and futhi bekasendlini isikhathi sonke bekwengesakhe esendlini ehila, siya-communicate inkinga isaqhubeka emsebenzini and ntontoni, uyayibona lo nto leyo. Kuthi nje esaku 2 weeks loyo angitshela athi hayi sithandwa sami kusasa mhlambe ngeke ngikhulume kakhulu, ngiyahamba ngiya endaweni ukuthi lo ndawo leyo u110 kilometers. Athi uya lapho ke hayi kulungileke sho ukuthi ngesikhulume soze sikhulume ntambama because it's a long distance uzobe drive. Ngimbuze ngithi mina uyokwenzani lapha, athi ayikhona okuncane yokwenza. Angangitshela ukuthi uyokwenzani, athi ayikhona yokwenza, angachaza ukuthi uyokwenzani. Mangabe uPhumlani ebuya lapho ntambama ebusuku angifonele ngevideo call, yambona ejabulile proud, angitshela ukuthi i-issue yasemsebenzini wakhe isisolvekile, useze wathola nepromotion ngaphezulu. Ngijabule-ke nami ngimjabulele, yabona nje kube mnandi naye ajabule, athi hayi ngeke ngisawuqeda 2 weeks wami, ngomsombuluko ngiyabuyela emsebenzini. Kwakuyi-Thursday by that day. Athi hayi ngomsombuluko ngiyabuyela emsebenzini, ngiyongena kule position lenkulu le apronyothelwe kuyona, understand. Hayi kube mnandi-ke bafethu. Hayi ahambeke vele ayoqala kwi-position entsha. Mangabe eqalile kwi-position entsha uPhumlani, eposition entsha-ke uya-actor, uyangitshela ukuthi hayi umsebenzi mkhulu lapha, ni responsibility iningi, umsebenzi mkhulu nje, kunzima, understand nje kunzima. I have to work hard, I have to prove myself. Nami futhi ngimsupport ngithi hayi go for it muntu wami, yenza njalo muntu wami, understand. uPhumlani-ke indaba ye-communication bese kuba i-call yasekuseni, nakhona ibingiyafika ngisho nakwi-minute yokungi-check ukuthi ngisaphefumula yini, u-good morning kahle kahle. Ngingamnankinga futhi nami kuthi ngabo 3-4 uzoshare nje ama-funny video ntontoni, mase kuthi mhlambe ngabo 6 or 7 angifonela athi ngisasemsebenzini, ngisaphusha, ngisazama ukuhlanganisa ntontoni. Hayi kuphele kanjalo-ke ngosuku lethu. The following day and the following day and the following day kuzokwenzakala kanjalo. But ngeke ngiqamba amanga, i-chemistry was still there, you understand? Like i-effort wayifaka ukuthi leso sikhathinyana bengisayi-appreciate futhi nalowo effort, and the chemistry was still there. But bekakhona amalanga lawa ebekade ngazizwa kahle ukuthi ngaze le effort la ifaka incane kanjena enough yini to keep uthando lethu together. And you understand, because there is much ayikho into engako esixoxayo, you understand? There is nothing much esixoxayo kangako, you understand? Ake siqhubekeke, ngiyamthanda uPhumlani, nawe uyangithanda futhi I can tell ukuthi uyangithanda, ngiyalizwa uthando lwakhe. Noma liza isikhathi esincane kodwa ngiyalizwa, I know ukuthi he is there, I know. Ake bakwethu mina sho ukuthi ngumuntu osebhizinisini, ngu-business woman. I started my own business, and ibhizinisi lami imase liqala ukubhuma, like imase liqala ukubhuma ke manje, uyayibona lonto leyo. And uPhumlani ngiyamxoxela, wazi yonke into ngebhizinisi lami, ngiyamxoxela sikwenza kuhamba kanjani, ngenza malini mangabe ngiyokwenza ukuthi, ngichaja kanjani, ngiyamtshela nje. Uyabuza futhi naye, umuntu obuzayo, ubuza in details, ngimtshele futhi nami in details, anginayo inkinga. Ake ngicela ukunitshela ukuthi sisathandana kanjalo ke uPhumlani sekuthi asikwazi ukukhuluma kahle because he's always working. Ngenye ama weekend sithi siyaxoxa ocingweni, uPhumlani sixoxe kuze kufike ekutheni athi yena akufike ekutheni uthi ngenkathi divorce. Hawu ngithi mina manje kanjani ukuthi wena ngenkathi udivorce, ngoba phela mina wangitshela ukuthi kwakuyingoduso, athi hayi mhlawumbe awuzwanga kahle sithando sami, ngadivorce mina, ngadivorce. Hawu ingishaqekele indaba kwami, mina wangitshela ukuthi ingoduso ekuqaleni, usedivorce kanjani manje. Kodwa ngithi I know into engayizwa, ngiyazi kahle into engayizwa, kodwa ke ngisale sengithula ke, sengihamba nele ukuthi wadivorce because ungitshela ukuthi wadivorce njengamanje. Ngimbuze ukuthi uzudivorce benishade isikhathi esingakanani, benishade for how long, athi yena 6 months. Ngithi mina awungeke Phumlani, 6 months pho. Ngisho ngihleka yabo, ngihleka like mina I was like bengibuza ngempela u6 months pho, because u6 months I don't think ukuthi kumina it didn't make a sense ukuthi ungashada in 6 months usudivorcile, because i-divorce umsebenzi omkhulu, i-process enkulu. Udivorce nini within 6 months ushadile? Ay uPhumlani avelane sasikwi-video call, i-phone call ayivale, avale ifoni ngeblanket. Ayi ngixoliseke manje, sengiyaxolisa sithanda sami in yabona. Maseke uPhumlani ashintshe topic. Shukuthi mina ngihlala ekhaya, ngihlala nomama, umama uhlala yedwa, sihlala soyi-2, and ekhaya it's a big house, silungisile nje. So ngihlala nomama, not because I don't afford ukuhlala nomama, because bekade nginayo indawo, bekade nginawo umuzi. And then ngenxa yokushintsha kwezimo zemali eSouth Africa, ama-interest rates nani, ibond ebengikhokha yavelane yaba skyrocket high, yaya la ko 15,000, 14,000, 13, it depends ukuthi interest rates ithini ngalolo langa. Ngagcina sengizama ukuthi umuzi ngiwuthengise, wangathengiseka isikhathi eside, egcineni kosuku wagcina usuthengisekile ke. And then ngase ngihlala ekhaya, ngayitshela ukuthi hayi lo mali leyo ngizoyibeka yade ngikhokha ngayo ibond, ngizoqhubeka ngikhokha ibond, kodwa ngikhokhe on my account, kuzothi once izinto sezihlikile, izimo sezi-right, mhlampe umuzi ngazama ukuthi ngiwuthenge cash, or futhi ngaqhubeka futhi ngibe nebond, but ngishintshe i-contract yebond, mhlampe ngithatha ibond efixed ukuthi per month ngikhokhe imali engaka for so many years. Shukuthi ngenkathi sisefonini sikwi-video call, uPhumlani eshintshe i-conversation, angibuza ukuthi angicabanga ukuthi ngelinye ilanga mhlampe ngiphume mina la ekhaya ngihambe ngoyihlalela ngedwa. I felt like lo mbuzo loyo bukade spicy, but futhi on the other hand ngamphendula ukuthi it's not because I don't afford ukuyihlalela. Ngumuntu omdala, ngikubhizinisi futhi ngifundile. Nawe uyakwazi ukuthi ngifundile, ngawuyeka umsebenzi because ngifuna ukuthi ngifake all my effort ebhizinisini, ngilisebenze, ngilipush ibhizinisi ngamandla amonke. uPhumlani athi yazi ukuthini, ngizwe izandla zami inganuki kahle, kusade ngibhizi laphayana, kontate ngibhizi ngayo, ngicela ukuyowasha izandla, ngizobe ngikufonele. Ngithi mina hayi usudlala ngami, usuyayivala le call, usuyangibalekela, avungibalekela wena. It was a Saturday because that was the only time available ukuthi sikhulume Saturday. Ake uPhumlani ngempela athi hayi ngizokufonela hayi kuvalela isweki. Afterwards ngiloko ngimbuza ukuthi uyalala yini, hawu bese sizokhuluma yini. Athi uPhumlani ukuthi angibelieve ukuthi wena ungahleka ubuhlungu bami, ungahleka usizi lami after after understand benga expecta ukuthi wena ungahleka usizi lami. Ngimtshela ukuthi hayi bengahleki, it was just a human reaction. Bengahleki ukuthi ngihleka usizi lakho, bekuyi human reaction nje indlela umuntu areacta ngayo. Angihleki usizi lakho. UPhumlani ucacisa nje ngihleka usizi lakho, afaka ama crying emoji. The following day Sunday ekseni before esontweni siya communicate, kungabi na communication ngalolo langa. Buye esontweni kungabi na communication dololo lishona ilanga Sunday. Monday nakhona there is no communication. Maseke ngiyakhuluma ke mina ngiyambuza ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalana, are you okay? I understand ukuthi mhlambe ngikutriggerishile ngakuvusela ilonda zakudala ze divorce, kodwa I just wanna know ukuthi are you okay? Aphendule ngokuthi good morning ngalesikhathi mina ngimbuza ukuthi right yini, nami mase ngithi morning. Mase ngiyambuza mina ngithi uyanghosta yini, ngicela ubuza ukuthi are you ghosting me, kwenzakalani, so that ngizo understand ukuze ngikwazi nami ukuthi ama emotions wami ngiwabeke kahle, ngizi understandise mina ukuthi kwenzakalani. Athi yena what about imizwa yami, what about imizwa yami? How mase ngithi mina ngani uyayiqhelisa nje because imizwa yakho bengizoyinakekela sikhulume lento, because it was mina ngikaze ngiplan ukuthi ngihethe imizwa yakho, and it was just a human reaction ukuthi ngithi ngahleka ngathi how 6 months kuphela Phumlani, 6 months pho. And yeah, it was not ukuthi mhlawumbe ngibukisa ngawe, ziningi izinto ongixoxela zona ezibhlungu, and I was there supporting you. Nakuloko bengizokusupport, I wasn't laughing at all, bengahleki inxeba lakho. uPhumlani angiphendule ngoheheba le message asho ukuthi mina imizwa yabantu angicabangeli, ngingabona ngathi izinto izahamba kahle njengamanje, kodwa in future kuzoqonda, kuzocaca, in future lento izongilimaza, iyongimoshela lento in future. Achaza ukuthi ngaqale ngamdampa engenzanga lutho. Okwesibili ngaphinda futhi naku sengimhleka ubuhlungu bakhe, ngihlekisa ngepain yakhe. Ngizama ukumfonela uPhumlani angalibamba ucingo lami, angayibambi ifone. Ngimfonele back ngichaza ukuthi hayi ngisend message ngisho ukuthi abengahle kuhle ubuhlungu bakho, ngicela ukuqala kuloko kudampa. Okudampa ngachazela ukuthi I was feeling emotionally neglected. Ngaze ngacommunicate nawe 3 times ngokufila emotionally neglected. Nambe sekungaphezulu kwamandla bese ngihlezi ngisedi ingichiphizisa lento yokuthi ngisebudlalwaneni, but ngiyazitshwa angijabulile, anginakwa ebudlelwaneni, and especially ubudlelwano obusha we should be in a honeymoon phase. However understand ukuthi kwi depression nani benga expectanga honeymoon, but benga expecte ukuthi ngibe khona even if in your pain, like to be there so that you can communicate nami, even if you communicate your pain, as long as I'm closer to you ngizo understand. And ngisho angikudampanga, like ngangi-confused, ngangitshela usazocommunicate wena kanjani. Mase ngiyachaza ukuthi lokho kwesibili kokuhleka, it was just a human reaction nje, ayi ukuthi I was laughing at your pain. Ngizama ukumchazela umfana ngize ngenze ne-video, wayiblutikela nje, wangaphendula, wangenza lutho, wablutika yonke into yami. Kwabo kuphela kobudlelwane bethu. Engqondweni yami ngangibuza ukuthi lo muntu kade ngibiza ngo my wife, inkosikazi wami, in ubedlala yini, because there is no way ukuthi wife yakho ungavelana umshuthe down kanjalo, umzibe or umghoste kanjalo because of indaba yokuthi uhlekile, and uyachaza ukuthi beyangahleki kwipain yakho, and when you decide to believe lokhu wena okufika engqondweni yakho noma esechaza. And mina lento yokuthi 6 months pho, like to mina it was not enough ukuthi umuntu umdampele yona. So family ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ngathi 6 months, was it an enough reason ukuthi umuntu aze angidampe? Bekade kuyi reason eyanele ukuthi umuntu angidampele lokho? Ngicela ni comment down below. Ake bafethu, after that ngazama ucommunicator, ngacela sikhulume. Ngathi ngicela sikhulume, wangitshela ukuthi usemsebenzini ubusy. Ngathi mina ngizokhuluma ngekuthatha isikhathi eside ngekuphela u2 minutes. Ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume ukuze ngingabe ngisakuhlupha afterwards if there is a need. Ayi bafethu, ngimkhulumiseke umfana ngimbuza ukuthi mina bengahleki ipheni yakho and ntontontoni, ngizama ukuchaza athi yena ibhlungu kuyena lento njengendoda ukuzizwa ibukeleke phansi, edelelekile, ethathelwa phansi. Ngibe confused ukuthi manje ukuhleka sho ukuthi ngikubukela phansi, ngikuthathela phansi, angikuthathi njengendoda. Inazasho ukuthi yena usangithanda, akasho ukuthi uyangidampa in on that call. Mase thina abaphathi bakhe nje badeshile ukuthi ubusy sebeyambiza uyalinqamula ucingo, alinqamule ngempela ucingo. Hayi mina ngi-expect ukuthi umuntu uzongifonela mhlambe later, angafoni umuntu kudlule nengakusasa. Emva kwaloko benginemibuzo eminingi engqondweni yami ukuthi hayi man, lento le ayihlangana ayi-add ukuthi umfana ungiyekeleni. It doesn't add up at all. It's either mhlampe khona yena occupied ngako, abona ukuthi angisafithi or angene empilweni yakhe, because there was a day la angifonela khona, wangifonela 3 missed calls. Okay, angisho ngixoxelile ukuthi ube sengifonela ntambama ngabo 7 athi usasemsebenzini, or yangifonela ngabo 6 athi usasemsebenzini. So there was a day ngangigeza khona ngikwishower, wangifonela ngo6, nganga-answera mina i-call, wangishayela ama-missed calls awu3. And then when I returned a call for the first time, ayibanjwanga. The second time the call was sent to voicemail. Ukubona ifoni kuthiwa your call has been forwarded to voicemail, has been forwarded. Sho siyaringa kancane iyasiforwarda ku voicemail. Ingiphathe kabuhlungu lento ukuthi i-call iforwarda kanjani ku voicemail. The following morning umfana wavuka wabuza mina wathi kanti kwenzakaleni izolo, ngakufonela ngakuthola. Ngathi mina bengishawa ngawathola ama-missed calls akho awu3 and angithusa because awukaze ungifakele ama-missed calls awu3 before. Beqala ukuthi ungifakele ama-missed calls. I was in a shower and I tried to return your call and you didn't answer, wangifaka ku voicemail, and ifoni yami itshengisa ukuthi wena ucingo ulivalile, uliforward ku voicemail. Umfana aphike athi yena ucingo lami akazange aliforward ku voicemail, yena ushiya daningi echarge wahamba ulala kwelinye ikamera because uhlala yedwa umfana, indlu yakhe u2 bedrooms, ama-bedroom ukulala. Ake ngingahotsofali yabo lo mbuzo lonto leyo, lo explanation ingahlali kahle. So nje umfana sengidampileke, sengiyahlanganisa ukuthi do you think ukuthi mhlawumbe ukufona kwakhe njalo ngo6 ikhona into yokwenza ukuthi njalo ufona ngo6, ikhona into yokwenza ukuthi usukwenzela ukuthi singabe sisakhuluma later, ufona ngabo 6 athi ngisasemsebenzini, ngisasebusy khona ngisakuhlanganisa, noma I'm still driving, I'm still far, afone ngo6 athi mangabe ngifike endlini ngizokufonela. Angangifoneli nami futhi ngingamxaki because ngiunderstand ukuthi usebenza kanzima. So do you guys think ukuthi lento yakhe yokuthi ngale leyalanga wangifonela ngo6 wangangithola washama 3 missed calls, do you think wecabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizobe sengiyamfonela la engasekho right? We understand ama sengiyibuka ngayibuka ukuthi do you think ukuthi khona nomuntu obekhona lapha endlini ukuthi yena usuke emsebenzini ngo6 aye endlini kube khona umuntu okhona akasafuna ukuthi ngifone endlini? Futhi lokho into esengicabanga manje ngaloso sikhathi angicabanganga, into esengicabanga manje ukuthi do you think mhlambe umfana vele bekalinde ngenza iphutha lokuthi athole ukuthi angidampe, mhlambe he was looking for a mistake, because I don't think ukuthi ukuhleka kwami is enough ukuthi ngidampwe. So ngicela nje ningazise in comment section ukuthi do you think vele bekalinde iphutha, bekukhona okukhona or kwenzakalani? Elokuthi nje angitshela ukuthi ngibukelana phansi, angihambe ngiye kubafana abakwi-league yami, sho ukuthi yena akekho kwi-league yami. Akekho kwi-league yami kanjani? Because umphathi le emsebenzini nami ngiyi-company owner, and akekho kwi-league yami kanjani because like safunda ifundo eyifanayo mina naye, sifunda ifundo eyifanayo, and umphathi manje kulesifundo lesikhundla lesakusona. So I didn't understand ukuthi akekho kwi-league yami kanjani. Do you think it was a way of getting rid like of me? We understand mhlawumbe bengihlezi nje ngiyi-positive, ngimsupporta, ingasekho indlela yokuthi angixoshe ngayo. Kukona konke lokudampana nokubuyelana asikaze sibonani, asakahlangani. Umoya wami wathi khesese, uyabona, wakhathala ngalento eyenzakalile. Kodwa-ke futhi ngaphinde ngayitshela ukuthi no, ayiku-right, it is what it is, it is what it is. Umfana usithathile isinqumo, usithathile i-decision, we understand, ayikho into ekumele ngibe sad ngayo, but angifuni uqamba amanga, ngaphatheka kabuhlungu, ngakhala bakwethu, inyembezi zaziyiphumela, angifuni nje ukuzenza strong ones, zaziyiphumela mhlawumbe for 2 days, ziyiphumela. Hhayi-ke emva kwaloko, kuthe kusanjalo nje kulo 2 days, hayibo, ngifonele omunye umfana, omunye nje, okudala ngifuna, you understand, kodwa ukungifuna kwakhe bekungekho serious according to me ngokubuka kwami, because a year before last ubekangifuna, wathi ucela sihlangane kanjani and sizokhuluma ngesikhathi tomorrow. Ingicasuleke lonto, mina I'm a business woman, umuntu ngeke ungitshela ukuthi uzongitshela tomorrow ngalela ngesihlangana ngalo ukuthi akuhlanganwe ngasikhathi sini. Sho ukuthi ngalolu langa osahlangane ngalo agcine ngangitshelanga isikhathi, kugcine kungasahlanganwanga. Azabuye emva kwesikhathi eside asho ukuthi hayi kwakumele agijime emsebenzini kanjani akulunganga, because uyitshela ukuthi hayi kuzolunga indaba yomsebenzi. Umfundo-ke igama lakhe lo mfana, kuthi emva kokudantshwa yilo yangu angidampe ngoheheba, umfundo angifonele asho ukuthi hayi ucela kanjani ufuna sihlangane sikhulume indaba zothando, uyangithanda kusukela 15 years ago, engithanda ufuna sikhulume indaba zothando. Bakwethu ngivelane ngibe spicy ngithi wena wadlala ngami nini kanjani angisayikholelwa into yakho, ngicela sibone after a month, khona iproject engisebenza kuyona matasatasa yabo nje, ngibe a bit rude, not rude but ngibe spicy nje, kodwa ngangimtshela iqiniso because wawuzomthembana nomuntu owefika sesohlangana kusasa maseke eba nama challenges anga-communicate, understand ukuthi sekunama challenges kanje it won't happen, so nje akangasi umuntu engamthatha serious. Hayi-ke ngicela ukuntshela-ke bafethu umfana-ke loyo, because ngalana mina ngumuntu obhilivela ukuthi iva likhishwa ngelinye, bengasalungi ngala besengithi hayi ngizonamathela kulona olungayo-ke, so I was looking forward ekutheni ngihlangane naye lo mfana, you understand. Ake ngicela ukuntshela ukuthi after that call he never called back. Ngimsendele i-message SMS ngithi I'm sorry I was a bit rude, like ngangixolisa because I felt like ukuthi ngavelane ngeza ngamandla again, and then he never replied to my SMS. Umfana kasafoni, bese ithemba lami lokugcina ukuthi ngizodlula kulesimo salo ongala ngidlule ngayi. Umfana kasafoni, ngize bafethu angazi bese ngidesperate kakhulu yini, ngimsendele i-message on Facebook ngithi yazi ngalahlekelwa ifoni after we spoke, imase ngiyithola manje just in case if mhlambe ukade ungifonelile. Umfana ngibona ukuthi i-message yami uyifundile and ngibona ukuthi online, but he never replied on my SMS umfundo. Okay, it's fine, it's okay, we move, life is all about moving forward. I get a few weeks later, nangu umfundo communicate. A few weeks later, umfundo communicate. And before umfundo communicated, I've realized ukuthi no, mina, like I was never in love ngaleqaleni. I was still on a journey of building love. It was still early, very early ukuthi mhlawumbe sengathi ngisa in love. Mhlawumbe besajole mhlawumbe 2 months. It was still early ukuthi mhlawumbe sengathi ngisasemathandweni nani. I was not in love. I was still on a journey to build love. Shukuthi inkinga enginayo mina ngithanda attention. Like ngikhalela le attention le nganginikezwe labo good morning ngangibathola. Shuthi ngakho sengifosterela ukuthi ngijumpe manje ngijumpa ama ships ngiye ngala mfundo. So this labo good morning kade ngibathola sengibafuna ngalana. Ngibona ukuthi hayi mani inkinga kumina, ngithanda attention. Bakwethu ngishaya self introspection ukuthi kunganjani lo attention ngiyinikeze mina yona, ngizibuka ukuthi kahle intoni engiyithandayo lento le ngiyithandayo ngiyenze futhi ingijabulise. Ngahlala phansi ngathi kahle mina ngithandana apart from a business, yini le ngiyithandayo, ngabuka bakwethu, ngazibuza, ngazisesha, ngaze ngayithola into engiyithandayo, ngathi okay kuzomela ukuthi ngiyenze and ngibe happy and be fulfilled. Kanti angibuzanga elangeni, uzobuya umfundo, uzobuya while I am trying to make myself happy. Abuye umfundona abe on the picture, abuye abe kwi-picture umfundona abe kwi-picture beserious umfundona athi asihlanganeni emhlanga. and yena usehlala eMhlanga because usesebenza eMhlanga. Ayiba kwethu sihlanganeke noMfundo, bafethu ekuhlanganeni kwami noMfundo kube mnandi. Like the communication was flowing, kube mnandi, the food was good, the music was good in the restaurants, and the drinks were good as well. Kube mnandi noMfundo. Umfundo na-ke sengichila noMfundo uyangi-invite endlini yakhe mina sihlale sichile, we watch movies. Ngathi abantwana abancane manje, we watch movies, we drinking alcohol, we are enjoying life together noMfundo. And then after that sijwayelane-ke noMfundo na kube mnandi. Mfundo is very very intelligent, uhlakaniphile kakhulu, and nami ngumuntu wesifazane ohlakaniphile, yabona, ngumuntu wesifazane ohlakaniphile oyimisele oyibhekile nje empilweni. Kube mnandi, la kunama-advice amnandi, kumnandi. Siyaphusha-ke manje, sesiyajola-ke manje noMfundo, siyajola. Kube mnandi-ke kujoleni noMfundo. But mengijola noMfundo kunezinto ezinye azenzayo, yabona, ezinokuyingibuza ukuthi is Mfundo trying to check ukuthi how far can I go, ngabekezela kangakanani, understand. Kunezinto azenzayo nje enjalo ezinokwenza ukuthi ngiyibuze imibuzo, understand. Kumnandi kona ukuba mnandi, ikhathi zobumnandi zikhona, but kunezikhathi ezingibuzayo ukuthi hayi man, how far can you go, we understand. And nami ngivela nengigowe far, we understand, in terms of ukubekezela nani, understand. Lama behavior amfundo mina aqale manje ukungangiphathi kahle, understand. Kodwa kumnandi futhi on the other side, it's just that lama behavior abamancane nje, understand. Abamancane kodwa ayishintsha kancane mood yami, yabona, ayishintsha kancane mood yami. And lo ma behavior lawo aqala ngokuthi like unokungixeka yabo emzimbeni, yabo ukuthi hayi man nawe, how man nawe, how man nawe, awenza umnyakazo, awenza umzamo. Ithanga lentombazane kumele libe, isihluzo sentombazane kumele sibe nepotris, yabona. Ama-body shaming amancane, understand. Kodwa futhi the following day you will be saying ukuthi I am beautiful, you are beautiful, ntontoni. Ake ngicela ukuntshela ukuthi uMfundo nami iqhubeke le abuse yakhe, abuse like verbal abuse, yabona. Kodwa man, after verbal abuse kuba mnandi, iqhubele verbal abuse aMfundo na siyathandana, kumnandi, ngiyamthanda. And sengingene ngithentsina ke la emathandweni, angisasiyo mina lo Nombuso lo Evelane ajike manje aphume ku relationship ayichoose yena. Ngazi ukuthi ingqondo yami useyisebenzile ukuthi sengicabanga ukuthi ayikho enye happiness engayithola ngaphandle kwakhe, abukho obunye umnandi engabuthola ngaphandle kwakhe. Sengingene ngithentshi othandweni lakhe uMfundo. uMfundo na-ke une-farm, unekhaya nje, isite yakhe semakhaya, uyahamba buya yolima khona, ahlala emakhaya. And ngiyayithanda leyo mpilo, nami ngiyayi-enjoya leyo mpilo, like it's what I like. Ngihambe naye uMfundo na sometimes sihambe sifike sitshale, nami ngiyathanda ukutshala, but ngithanda ukutshalela ematafuleni, ngifike nezithombo ukutshale, kube mnandi ngabe sihleli laphayana. Kodwa iyaba khona lento e-off encane engeke ngikwazi ukuyichaza, kodwa kufike kube mnandi u-90%, mase bakhona lo 10% off. Mase ngitshela ukuthi no one is perfect. Why wena ufuna u-10% umoshe u-90%? Qhubekeke nobudlelwane naye uMfundo nami, siqhubeke kumnandi kunjanjani. Kodwa ngelinye ilanga ngimtshela ukuthi hayi man, lento yakho obuji esithubeni angiyithandi, and ngifuna u-understand ukuthi mina I am very tricky. Njengoba ngiyi-tricky nje, noma kuthiwa isiphi isimo engaphansi kwaso ngiyowina, I'll come first. I'm very tricky ngisho noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani, because ngiyabona isimo sethu la siyoveza ukuthi ngelinye ilanga oyedwa wethu uyophuma ngebody bag la endlini. Kodwa lo muntu leyo ngeke kube umina, kuyoba wena. Kanti angibuzanga elangeni uMfundo asho agadle uMfundo, agadle kumina. Uyazi ukuthi before uMfundo agadle, like ubeka nama-comments yokuthi mhlawumbe ngi-masculine kakhulu in terms of indlela engenza ngayo. And indlela engenza ngayo, I am a businesswoman, understand. Sometimes I can try to shrink for a man, ngizama ukuthi to adjust myself in order to fit endodeni. but into iyona awusoze wayishintsha. As a powerful and strong woman or masculine, awusoze wakushintsha lokho, uyohlezi unjengoba unjalo, and you are a leader in anything. As much as you can try to hide it and shrink, you will never shrink. So kahle kahle, you don't deserve indoda weak, you deserve indoda strong mentally, indoda ezo-understand ukuthi umuntu wesifazane kumele umnikeze nokuthando liphelele ukuze ukwazi ukuthi umlide, umhole. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi uMfundo ngalolanga kanti angibuzanga elangeni uzogadla sho ukuthi kasi ngimtshela ukuthi mina I'm full of tricks, I will always win. Yamcasula uMfundo lo nto leyo, wagadla uMfundo, wazama ukuthi angilimaze uMfundo. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi I am full of tricks, kwagcine sekuyena uMfundo osekhala phansi, ongaphansi. Nhlanhla leyo ngamlimaza nje kancane, kodwa akufika esigabeni sokuthi kuphuma umphefumulo. Khona lapha elele phansi wakhuluma ukuthi awusoze wena waba nendoda, awusoze, because uyindoda wena, uzoyenzani indoda, uyindoda yourself. Wakhuluma amagama hurtful ukuthi kahle kahle sengizokwenzeka, ngizoze ngenze njani ukuze ngamlekeleke, ukuze ngithandeke, because phela ngumuntu wesifazane straight. But at the end of the day, sidlule yonke le issue kaMfundo, I've realized ukuthi as umuntu wesifazane ngicela ukuthi uyithande kakhulu, ukuthi omunye umuntu wesilisa mangabe efika empilweni yakho afike as a bonus. Ungabi negap le mina engaba nayo, sengichase abafana ngaba negap in such a way that uMfundo waze wabona ukuthi there is a gap empilweni yami ngale nkathi sengimlandela on Facebook. So try by all means ukuthi uzithande wena, uzazi ukuthi ufunani, uzinakekele 100%, uimprove impilo yakho, improve your business, improve your education if umuntu waka education, or if umuntu oqashiwe, improve yourself, do ama-course, funda lo degree, enza ukuthi iba nani improve your financial your finances, improve ukuthi nokuthi ngawe uzama ukuthi uyibeke endaweni engcono, endaweni ephezulu. The only life ekumele uyichase, kumele uchase uthando lakho, ukuthi uyithande, ungabi namkhawulo, ungabi nama-limits. Because mangabe uyithanda umuntu red flag, uzochuza wena, because wena uzithanda kakhulu ukudlula yena. Uzochuza wena uphume kulobo budlelwane, and ekuphumeni kwakho kwalolo budlelwane akusake siyeke lento yokuthi sihluphekele uthando, zithande wena, zinikeze wena uthando. Akekho omunye umuntu ongakunikeza uthando oludlula luthando lelo wena ongayinikeza lona. Ngizosibeka lapho kwanamhlanje family story sethu, isiyola libonene itorini eyilandelayo. Buzz SA to all social media platforms. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu.